Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to sell digital products and what products to sell on Etsy, which would be trending, and I will show you 5 niches today. So first of all, let's get started. So the niche number 1, which you want to search for and search for sub niches here, is educational printables. Basically, these are for homeschooling parents and classroom teachers. This is your perfect buyer, so it's homeschooling parents or classroom teachers from toddlers, preschool, and elementary. So we can go to Etsy and see which type of printables I'm talking about. So we can search here educational printable, and as you can see, there's a lot of options. For example, popular now and bestsellers, you want to look at those. So like preschool, pre-kindergarten learning bundle. So like trace the letters, find the letters, and coloring pages and so on. Educational posters. Here it is. As you can see, these are one of the best sellers. So educational posters for preschoolers, for elementary school, and for kindergarten or toddlers. So this is one option. Of course, you can create some printables for homeschooling parents, but they are basically the same. So that's one niche. Now, the second niche we're going to talk about today is event printables. So these are like for weddings, for bridal or baby showers, and also birthdays. And what you want to focus is on finished digital product or a template. So for example, for weddings, if you want to create a wedding invitation or a card or sign, this has to be a template because a person wants to edit with their own name, the location, the time and date, and so on. So this would be like a template, but some could actually be like a finished product. So let's look at those on Etsy. So as you can see, I just wrote down wedding printable, and there's 500,000 results, so it's actually really popular. Of course, this keyword is not suitable for you to make money and to create a product around it, because you will not rank as there's so many options. But as you can see, there's so many bestsellers. We can actually see a sign bundles, wedding planner, menu, wedding planner, also wedding invitations I saw. And you can also create like signs, event cards, menu cards, invitations, planners, and you can put it into a bundle. And for example, here it is a page bundle, and you can then sell it for a bigger price. Like for example, this one, we can search for wedding planner, maybe digital. So as you can see, the results are 20,000 now, and there's a lot of planners, digital planners, for example, to use on a iPad and so on. So this is one way. Also, you can search for birthday card or birthday invitation and template. Here it is. As you can see, there's a lot of options, and of course you have to focus on a sub niche. So for example, mermaid. So let's search for mermaid birthday invitation. As you can see, the results are only 7,000, and there's only mermaids birthday invitations. So I would like you to focus on that, on sub niches. So now the other niche would be seasonal and specific printables. This would mean like Valentine's Day, Christmas Day, Mother's Day, and back to school. These are probably the main ones. What I'm talking about is like cards, coloring pages, decor, banners, posters, activities, DIY kits, party invitations, planners, gift tags, and games. And there's actually more to that. So here is Valentine's Day card for him. Usually see some funny ones. Happy Valentine's Day cards. Let's also see some maybe Christmas coloring pages. There's of course a lot of results, and you would have to focus on something, for example, only for kids or only Santa Clauses and so on, for a rank to rank on Etsy. But this is actually always trending on Christmas, and many people are buying coloring books and pages which they will print themselves. And basically you only sell a digital product, and this is a finished digital product, not a template. As you can see, there are some bestsellers right here, so it's really popular then. So this is one option. There's also some gift tags and DIY kits, activities like ... and so on. Now the other niche would be organizational printables. This would be like, of course, you need to look at sub-niches and products that would support organization of certain part of home. So certain part of home would be like kitchen, pantry, garage, desk, nursery, closet, entryway, maybe even something else. This is what is popular on Etsy. So this would mean like labels, chore charts, checklists, stickers, planners, charts, and budget trackers. So one of the options would be kitchen organization labels. You can always sell just a digital product and a person will print it out like a sticker, or you can also sell not only digital products but also a product, a sticker through, I don't know, using like Printify and so on. So as you can see, there's a lot of bestsellers, and maybe let's click on one of those. So this is a kitchen organization labels, water, oil resistant, personal, and set of labels. So you actually choose a material yourself. It is handmade, and this is not a digital product. So, and of course, this is one of the bestsellers. So maybe you can also do that. Of course, there's some digital products as well here. There's some checklists, printable labels. Here it is, instant digital download, like this one. So this digital download, and that's what you can do. The other niche, the last one, is home and decor printables. Home decor printables. I'm talking about art prints and digital art prints. So you can offer digital art prints and the person will print it out, or you can basically sell a physical product and ship it to a customer by using some partners all over the world, like Printify, some other websites. So the niches there are on art prints which are popular right now is vintage, abstract, mid-century modern, boho and minimal, motivational word art, and customized portraits, which would be like the personalized ones and would cost even more. We will look at that on Etsy in a second. You have to make sure to offer files with multiple aspect ratios. If you don't know what it is, basically just Google it. there's a ratio in 1:1, like a square, and as you can see, there's inches. Then 2:3, 3:4. There's some specific ones which you have to do separately. Then 4:5 inches. And basically, when you are creating a wall art, you will need to create it in pixels. That's what I'm doing, for example, not like in inches, because you have to convert it to pixels, because the quality will be way better than doing it in inches. And also there's ISO, so like from A1 to A4. Yeah, that's basically it. That's what you... So here is some abstract wall art printables. As you can see, these are quite simple to do actually yourself. You can buy an art or create it yourself by using, for example, Canva or Kittle, and basically create different wall arts and sell it like a digital product on Etsy. So that's that. And you of course want to include the word printable when you will do your art. Also, I would suggest just to write down digital wall, because people will see that you are selling a digital product and not a physical product, so they wouldn't be misled. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel, and yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.